In today's video, we will fix the LG monitor no signal on Mac, USB-C, HDMI input and display data and fix. The fix one, you can check cable connection. Turn off your Mac and the LG monitor. After that, unplug the HDMI, USB-C and display port cable. Then plug it back in tightly on the both ends. After that, turn everything back on and check again. The fix 2, you can select correct input source. So press the menu button on your LG monitor. Then go to the input or source. Then here select the correct port, the HDMI 1, 2, USB-C and etc. and confirm and exit the menu. The fix 3, you can detect the display manually. So connect the monitor. So on your Mac, go to the system settings, then click on display setting. Then hold the option key and click on detect display. And then now we move to our final fix. Try another cable or adapter. If using HDMI adapter, try different another adapter. Okay, then try a different HDMI or USB-C cable and test with a different port if available. Goodbye.